Off and throw it. 0, 0, ready, turn. 1, 1, ready, turn. 2, 2, ready, turn. 3, 3, ready, turn. Darn. 4, 4, ready, turn. 5, 5, ready, turn. Haha. 6, 6, ready, turn. 7, 7, ready, turn. 8, 8, ready, turn. 9, 9, ready, turn. And 10. All right. I think I figured something out. Was worried about the cadence and when to turn. All the pilot has to do is fly.
I see.
So you know, sometimes when I'm calling for Jim, I mean it's like dark depending on when we're getting the light. And I'll say 1, and I'll look off the airplane. I'll look at the light. 1, 1, ready, turn. And so.
Well, I bet you the guys triggering the lights are real busy too, keeping their eyes on the right airplane.
That's a problem. That can be a problem sometimes.
Yeah.
In